Intrigued by this unusual clump of grasses here. It's a different kind of grass that's growing here. Look at this. Just a patch of different grasses amidst all the other grasses and ferns of this beautiful field surrounding this absolutely gorgeous oak in full spring canopy. What a gorgeous oak. Amazing. You can hear all the harvesters in the background. This field is next, I guess. I don't know if they'll get to it today. Watch out butterflies. Watch out little rodents. Take safe haven because the harvesters will come in soon. What a beautiful space. Make hay whilst the sun shines.